Have you been in the real estate market looking for a 4-bedroom duplex along the Lekki corridor? Then, if yes, this is the best bet for you. Right here, I'm standing in front of Abijo Heights, located right here in Abijo GRA, a 4-bedroom terrace duplex that comes with a title of C of O. This property right here is a 4-minute drive from the Novare mall, which is the Sangotedo ShopRite. Take you in to see the project that we're currently building. This property is 80% gone. Once you make your initial deposit, you get allocated instantly. We have a 6-month payment plan on this property. So we are going to be doing a proper tour of this property. I want you to sit tight, grab a cup of coffee while we tour this property together. Before we go in, if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, this is Ruth Well from Spacious Real Estate, and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and don't forget to share to your friends and family who are interested in owning an affordable 4-bedroom along the Lekki corridor. Let's go in and explore this property together. Right now, I'm inside of the estate, and right behind me, you can see that this is a very spacious estate. On this side, we have 8 units of the 4-bedroom terrace duplex, and on this side, we also have another 8 units. Alright, this property is already 50% sold, so if you're interested in buying this property, you need to make an initial deposit and spread your balance for up to 6 months. Alright, so I'm going to take you to see behind the house before we go in. So this is a corner piece unit, and this is the side of the house. This right here is the backyard of this unit, and you can see that it is also very spacious. There's a balcony behind the house, and there's also going to be a demarcation from this unit to the other unit so that there is a little bit of privacy for you. Now we are going to go in and see the underground parking space, the BQ, and the laundry room. Alright, now let's see the underground parking lot. So right here is the underground parking lot, and you can see that this place can contain 2 cars. This place can contain 2 cars. Now come in, let me show you the box room and the laundry. So this door right here leads to the box room, but it's currently locked because there is some construction materials there. And right here, come in, this is like a lounge. Then the washroom is here. So this is where you would use as your laundry room. Now the BQ is right here. So this is the BQ. It has a very big window. And the toilet and bath is right here. Come please. You can see the toilet, there's a window, there's a water heater, that's the shower. There's going to be a demarcation right there. So now, from the lounge right here, you can see that this door is the door that leads to the balcony of the house. So this is the balcony. Sorry for the dirt, this is a construction site and all this will be cleared. Alright, now this staircase right here leads to the living area of this 4-bedroom duplex, but we are not going to be going up through these stairs. So when I get into the building, I'll show you these stairs from up. Alright, now let's go back outside. Let me show you the stairs we'll go in from. Meanwhile, right here is your changeover and your cutouts. Now let's go. And there's also a space here, for instance, if you want to put your solar batteries and all of that. There's a space for you right here. Now this is the staircase that we'll be going up with. So this staircase leads us right into the living area. I'm going to be flipping my camera from here. So when I flip my camera, then we'll continue to the rest of the house, the living room and all the other rooms. This is a 4-bedroom terrace duplex that comes with a BQ. So I've showed you the BQ, the laundry room and the box room. So now we're going to see the living room and the 4 rooms. Alright, so I'll flip my camera right now and I'm going to be taking you in to see the 4 rooms. So this is the stairs that lead upstairs to the living room. Sorry, this is a construction site, so it's kind of trashy. So right here is the living room, and we have this big, very big wooden door right here. I hope you can see it. Okay, so you can see the big wooden door. And right here we have a visitor's toilet. Alright. Now this is the living area. I want you to take in the space. So this is the space of the living area. We have two big windows on this side, and we have one window on that side. This is the chandelier. Okay, so now this is the stairs I showed you from the underground parking lot. So this is the stairs, and this other stairs right here leads to the room, 3 rooms upstairs. So right here there is one room. So this is the room. This is room number 1. There's a window here. Now look at your wardrobe. Alright, so the toilet and bath is right here. It has a water heater. There's a window. The towel rack. That's your toilet seat. This is the hand basin. And right here is your shower stall. There's going to be a demarcation right here. Okay. Now, the kitchen is on this floor. So this is the kitchen right here. Look at the kitchen doors. I want you to take note of the doors of this house. They are very big doors. Let me show you this room door again. You can see that it's a very big door. Okay. So right here is for your fridge. Right here is for your refrigerator. Okay. And this is the kitchen right here. I see the kitchen. Okay. These are all cabinet spaces. Right here is your microwave, and this is your oven. We have lower cabinets here. You can see. We have more cabinet spaces here. So these are for your cutleries. There are more cabinet spaces. These are tabletop gas cooker, and the extractor is right here. There's a space for an AC in this kitchen. Okay. And we have upper cabinets as well. More lower cabinets. And this is your countertop. Okay. So this is your kitchen sink. There's a big window right here. And there are more lower cabinets. Alright, so this is a door that leads to the balcony of the kitchen. So this is the balcony right here of the kitchen. Okay, so let's go back in. Let's go back in and go to the 3 rooms upstairs. We are going to the 3 rooms upstairs right now. So this is the stairs that leads to the 3 rooms upstairs. Alright, so this is a lounge. This is like a lounge in between the 3 rooms. Okay, so let's see the first room. Let's see this first. So this is the second room, or the first room upstairs. Okay, so see a big window. That's your POP lights. Okay, the wardrobe is right here, and the toilet and bath is right here. Okay, I see the toilet seat, the hand basin, the shower stall, and the towel rack. Now, let's see the second room. Second room is right here. This right here is the wardrobe. So the wardrobe is not in place. It makes the room a little bit smaller. That is the window. And right here is toilet and bath. Okay. If you notice, you'll see that there are ACs in this unit because this unit has already been paid for. Every other unit is ready. Just make your payment and you're moving. Alright, so this is the master's and the 4th room of this 4-bedroom. Let me give you an angle of the master's. Can you see this? Okay, so we have 3 windows on this side. We have one window here, and we have another right here. Okay, and we also have a walk-in closet. Can you see this? It's a walk-in closet. Now the toilet and the bath is right here. This is the toilet and bath. And see the vanity. We have a water heater. That's your towel rack, toilet seat. This is the bathtub. There's a window, and this is the shower store right here. Okay, now let's see the balcony. So this right here is the balcony of the masters, and from this balcony you can see the whole estate. So this 4-bedroom terrace duplex is on a 2-floor. Okay, so this is the second floor I'm standing. All right, you can see that this is a built-up location just along the Lekki corridor right here in Abijo GRA. I've come to the end of this video, and if you've watched till this point, thank you very much for staying. God bless you. I want you to note the most important part of this video, which is the price. The price of this property is 130 million naira. The location is Abijo GRA, and it is very, very much available. We have very few units though. We have in total 16 units, but what we have left is not even up to 5 units. So if you're interested in getting this property, all you need to do is make an initial deposit and spread your balance for up to 6 months. My number is displaying right in front of you. Do well to reach out to me. My name is Ruth Wells from Spacious Real Estate, and I'll be available to bring you here to come inspect this property by yourself physically, or if you want a virtual tour of this property, let's say you're not in Nigeria, you are welcome. You can reach out to me. My number is right in front of you. I'll do a virtual tour of this property with you so that you can make your decision and invest now in the new Lagos. All right, so thank you for watching this video to the very end, and if you did not subscribe from the beginning, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and share your thoughts about this property in the comment section, and don't forget to also share to your loved ones who are interested in owning a 4-bedroom duplex along the Lekki corridor. Till I see you in my next video, family, have an amazing day. Bye.